Criminal hackers find a way to access your account, then change the pay details. So, how do these hackers access your bank account? They exploit weak passwords. Large databases have been hacked, revealing millions of usernames and passwords. Adobe, LinkedIn, Ancestry.com, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Citigroup, Bank of America, eBay, European Central Bank, Google+, Hilton Hotels. The list seems to be endless. If you have been using a universal password, you are going to be an easy target. If you change your password regularly, be careful not to create weaker passwords. It's human nature. Hackers find a way to get you to open an email and install a keylogger. This is like a mirror over your keyboard. Fake invoices and confirmation emails are some other common methods for hacking. Why does almost everyone who gets hacked have a paid-up antivirus program? Keyloggers and ransomware have been getting installed on protected systems for years. Banks insist on an antivirus. You must have one. Hackers may not need access to your computer at all to hack your bank. If you have a password breach on some other site, such as Hotmail, here are some helpful tips to stay safe. Do not use universal passwords. Make each password unique. Do not use sequential letters or numbers. Never use a sequence from the left side of the keyboard. Use lowercase, uppercase, numbers, symbols. To be better protected, use an iPad. Download the bank app. iPads are not targeted by hackers.